The favorite, Money Queen. And the rope. And the lead is taken by Dream Supreme from the outside. Monte Napoleone in between horses. Brother Barak by the rail. And moving up on the inside. On this Money Queen. As they leave the straight. And moving up on the outside to grab the lead is Brother Barak. The lead followed by entry number 3, Monte Napoleone, Dream Supreme, and Action Sailor Money Queen. At the mid-back stretch is still Brother Barak by 3.5 lengths, followed by Monte Napoleone in second, and closing in third by 2.5 lengths, Dream Supreme, Action Sailor, and Money Queen. And nearing the path, it is still Brother Barak by 4.5 lengths. Monte Napoleone remains in second, and Dream Supreme moving out on the outside in third. Action Sailor and Money Queen. Rounding the far turn, it's Brother Barak by 2.5 lengths. Monte Napoleone closing in third, and Dream Supreme. But it's still Brother Barak, and moving up on the outside, Monte Napoleone. It is now Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by entry number 2, and that is Brother Barak. Dream Supreme moving up on the farther outside, and Action Sailor Money Queen. At the top of the stretch now, Napoleone. It's Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by Brother Barak and Action Sailor, Dream Supreme, and Money Queen. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Monte Napoleone. Finally, it's Monte Napoleone, Action Sailor. Close between Brother Barak, Money Queen, Dream Supreme.
Okay, 3-4, ating unofficial order of arrival.